Hey guys, welcome back to EK Sinbad. I've attempted this a couple times now, but it has to get done today. Somebody's coming. The bed has to come off today. The bed has to come off the truck. I have somebody coming tomorrow to pick the frame up so that I can get all of these parts, not the heaters, not those, everything else, put onto the frame. In order for him to be able to get everything on the frame, the bed and the front clip have to be off of the truck. So I need the frame and the cab can go, but the front clip, which is already detached, the front clip's never been put back on since our last video about the truck, but the bed has to come off. So I've tried a few times to get to this and to cut it off, and I haven't been very successful today, or up to this point. So today it's happening. One way or another, I'm getting my Sawzall, I'm getting my angle grinder, I'm getting everything to try to get this freaking thing off. So let's see how it goes. First thing I'm gonna do, stupid hat, because it's really sunny out and I don't want to get sunburnt. So that's the first thing. Next thing I'm gonna do is take this 8-foot pallet, cut it in half, make it 2 4-foot pallets. So that way I have somewhere to set the bed when I'm done. I plan on stacking them up so that I can sit the bed on top of it. And thanks to the magic of YouTube, got 2. Ugh. I know it's tiny, but I fucking hate snakes. All right, cut off that one, that one, that one, that one. Now I believe all that's left is 2 more on the back. Let's go check. Okay, from the back here, that one right there, and that one right there. That's all we have left, and the bed should come off. But while I'm back here, I'm gonna try to take off these bumper brackets because I don't think they're going back on and they're really in my way. So these bumper brackets, let's see how that goes. I don't know if I've said this before, but go get a big electric impact. I have been trying to get those bolts off by hand for months. Didn't work. Bought this bad boy. It's off in 2 seconds. Like, it was so easy. I might even try to set it up so you can see the other one, how quick it comes off. Haven't touched it at all yet. Okay, so to wrap up, there are a bolt here, a bolt there. Don't pay attention to anything going on here yet. A bolt that's from there, a bolt from there, a bolt here, and a bolt there. And then there's 2 more bolts on the very ends of the frames. And then there's support that comes out in front and a support that comes out in back. You got to detach all of that, and then the bed will come off. All right, guys, with a lot of angle grinding and help from the neighbors, I have gotten the cab. This is the only thing left. So all that's left is the cab. Bed and front clip are over there, filling up the cab with parts. And this is going to go off to get the frame hot rodded. It's going to get a all new front end, all new rear end. Can't wait. Thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.